Alright, we're live. Hey guys, I thought this might be noteworthy, something you might want to take a look at. Alright, so what I'm doing today is boring a bunch of cylinders. So the set that I'm working on now is actually a set of stock Harley 4-inch bore cylinders that would be used on a 110. And this one started blowing oil. These cylinders only have about 20,000 miles on them, relatively low mileage. So what I'm going to show you is just how far out of round and misshapen the Harley cylinders can get over time. So basically what you would have is, again, it's a 4-inch bore cylinder for the 110, and for that setup with a stock piston you'd have about a 1 to 1.5 thou piston to cylinder wall clearance. So what we did as an initial pass on the boring bar is set it up for a 5 thou cleanup pass with the intent of honing the cylinder another 5 thou. So it's going to be 10 thou over in total. So again, keep in mind it's a 4-inch standard bore, and we've done a 5/1000th cut with what I'm about to show you, and the clearance is supposed to be only a thou and a half. So what we would say is that with a 5 thou pass, this cylinder should clean up 100% perfectly, and you shouldn't see any areas that the cutter didn't touch. So let's take a look at the cylinder. Let's see how everybody can see it. So as we look down the cylinder here, you can see straight down in this area that it was a straight pass all the way through. But let's spin the cylinder around. And you see that dark area there is the area that it never touched. Alright, let me see if I can turn the light on. There we go. Alright, almost a spiral pattern there, and then it jumps over to the other side there as we go around. Alright, so flip that back around. Okay, there we go. So again, with that being a 5/1000th pass, what we should have seen is a clean cut absolutely all the way down. So essentially what we're demonstrating here is that either from the factory the cylinder was already cut crooked, which we see on brand new cylinders right out of the box, but you can also see, again, with only about 20,000 miles, how misshapen those cylinders can get. So one of the big reasons that we introduced our Super Duty pistons that have the abradable coating on the skirt is to combat this problem and keep the piston fit nice and tight in there. So anyway, we're going to finish these up. I hope everybody's having a great weekend, and you guys take care. Thanks a lot.